Major landforms of the Earth. We know that the surface of the Earth is not uniform. At some places, there are mountains, at some places, there are plain areas. We find plateaus and valleys, rivers, peninsulas, and many more different types of lands, which are called land forms or relief features. In fact, there are infinity types of landforms on the earth which are yet to be discovered. But before that, let's discuss that what is actually under these landforms. Do you know that there is continuous movement taking place within the earth? The ground on which we are standing is slowly moving. The landforms on Earth's surface have been created and developed into two types of forces. First is tectonic force. The tectonic force basically comes from the inner part of the Earth's surface. The tectonic or the internal force is responsible for the upliftment and subsidence of the Earth's surface, which leads the surface of the Earth on irregularities. There are three types of movements of tectonic forces. One is transform, as you can see in the picture. Second is divergent, where the tectonic surface falls apart. And the third one is convergent. The second type of force is gradational force. The gradational force starts from the outside of the earth. It modifies all the irregularities created by the internal forces. The gradational force is also known as external force. The slow disappearing of the surface of the earth is called erosion. It causes the surface to be lowering time by time. And so, the rebuilding of the earth's surface is done by the process of deposition. The both process, erosion and deposition, are mostly carried out by the running water through rains or rivers, glaciers, wind, and sea waves. Mountains are one of the major landforms. There are huge types of mountains. Basically, we classify the mountains into four main forms, and they are the fold mountains, the block mountains, the volcanic mountains, and the residual mountains. Basically, we call anything a mountain which is a huge landmass which rises more than 900 meters above the mean sea level. The mountains are the highest landforms and occupy about 1/4 of the total land area of the earth. A mountain range is a system of mountains and hills having peaks and valleys arranged in a line. A mountain chain has several parallel, long, and narrow ranges. A mountain system has several mountain ranges separated by valleys. The term cordillera is a Spanish term which means when several mountain groups and systems. It is generally a huge mountain belt stretching almost across the entire continent. For example, Western Cordillera in North America. The first type of mountain is the fold mountains. Fold mountains are formed when two tectonic plates collide head on and their edges crumbled much the same way as piece of paper folds when pushed together. The fold mountains are the most common type of mountains. The world's largest mountain ranges are fold mountains. These mountain ranges were formed over millions of years. The one example of fold mountain is Himalayas. Himalayas is formed recently. That is why it is known as young fold mountains. Whereas the other mountain like Aravallis were formed much earlier and they are known as the old fold mountains. Block mountains, also known as fault block mountains, since they are formed due to faulting as a result of tensils and compressive forces. The block mountains are formed by the horizontal tensional forces which causes cracks and faults in the earth crust. Volcanic mountains. A volcano is a mountain that has a crack or hole in the earth inside of it. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of the planetary mass objects such as Earth that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface and burst out of the mountain. Such mountains which have volcanic eruptions are called volcanic mountains. Plateaus. Plateau is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area on at least one side. Plateaus are also known as tableland. Plateaus occupy a large portion of Earth's surface. Some plateaus are very large and extended over thousands of kilometers. For example, the Deccan Plateau of India. Almost every continent has a large plateaus. Large parts of Africa, Asia, Australia, and North America consist of plateaus. Plains. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. They cover more than 1/3 of the world's land area. Plains exist on every continent. These plains are relatively flat and low-lying land with almost no difference between its highest and lowest point. They are also known as lowlands. Some of the important plains in the world are the prairies in USA, West Siberian Plain in Eurasia, and Gangetic Plain in India.